This is the research, the first that I reviewed, which is artificial intelligence and machine learning application in smart production, progress, trends, and directions. The authors uh, are Rafael Shoppi, Marta Chaviglioni, Giuseppina Pistelli, Antonella Petrillo, Fabio De Felice, and the publication is on Sustainability Switzerland. This research is interesting because it talks about the progress, trends, and directions of artificial intelligence and machine learning application that can really help me to learn new knowledge related to intelligent systems. It is also related to my core subject, which is the intelligent system, because it describes more on artificial intelligence in science. So the materials and methods, the strength, the two databases are Web of Science databases and Scopus. It's working and producing well. The selection of documents, objective, and clear methods of this investigation were used and depend on the experience of the researchers. When it comes to weakness, the authors declared conflict of interest. So this is the phase was divided into three steps, which is step one, identification, step two, screening, and step three is inclusion. Bibliometric data was collected in the step one, then a screening of the overall result was carried out to identify which documents can be taken into consideration in line with the research areas deemed interesting and relevant to step two. At the end of this step, the step three aimed to select the documents to be analyzed in detail. So in the results, uh, the AI and ML application sustainability demands a more conceptual and empirical investigation. So the implication and conclusions, uh, this overall research is provides a systematic review of application in various scientific fields using ML and AI techniques. This is also can be used to for future research. So let's proceed to the second research that I've reviewed. So the artificial intelligence in business from research and innovation to market deployment. The authors are Neha Soni and Ekshik Kula Sharma, Rotam Singh, Amita Kapoor, and the publication is Procedia Computer Science. Let's proceed to introduction. This research is all about market development innovation to artificial intelligence that can give me an idea that business can also innovate to artificial intelligence. It is related to my core subject, which is intelligent system, because the bold research describe artificial intelligence in business. So the materials and methods, the strength is the AI is not just a hype, but as the ability of transforming the business and thus the global economy. The weakness is the I think is the AI technology is confined only in a few regions in the world, so it is limited. So this way, it's not that broad. Let's proceed to this. AI startups initiated all over the world are categorized in 22 different fields, including autonomous vehicles, business intelligence, healthcare. Depicts the percentage of 200 AI startups in different lines of business, which majorly covers all the fields where AI is showing its impact. It can be seen clearly that the spread of AI is all pervasive, from education to healthcare, from home to industry. There's no place where AI is not being used or explored. So in the results, in this section, important insights from the geographical distribution of AI 17 and AI 18 are expected. It shows that the area of AI 17 and AI 18 starts up in the different parts of the world. The data analysis revealed surprising results. Top global AI startups are located in only 6.6% of the countries on the earth. So out of total of 195 countries in the world, AI 17 and AI 18 are located only in 13 countries. The US is leading this revolution with the headquarters of approximately three-fourths of the total starts up, with the majority in California, Silicon Valley, the heart of AI.